All right, so I'm going to show you how to tighten up a little bit of a canvas here. This is kind of loose. Kind of see me pressing my fingers up against there. I'm doing this with one hand, not because I only have one hand. There's nothing wrong with that, but because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So anyway, what you're going to do is going to spray the back of this canvas, kind of rub it in a little bit. And once you get it rubbed in, all right, now this is the cool part. You're going to take a little bit of a fire and you're going to heat it up. It could be a heat gun, could be a little chef's flame, or it could be a torch. So anyway, I got the torch. Why do I have the torch? Oh, because it's just so much more fun. Anyway, you don't want to, one of the things you don't want to do is you don't want to torch the back of your canvas and keep the flame on for any length of time. So just gonna keep going around, kind of get up underneath the wood there, the stretcher bars. Okay, and once you finish this, and this shouldn't be, shoot, it's only an 8x10 canvas, a cheap little 8x10 canvas too, but it shouldn't take long to dry this whole thing out. And you can kind of see, I mean, I'm not burning anything, but it's a lot more fun using a torch, especially since a lot of times I have the flame up a lot higher. Anyway, this is probably done. So I'm going to put this down without setting my, my studio on fire. I'm turning off the flame there. There you go. Now, oh, this thing, you can see, still see my fingers, but listen to that drum sound. That's cool. Okay, so now that's nice and tight. All right, guys, that's how you tighten up a canvas. You know, you could put also those little wedges in the corner. You know, you stick them up. I think you can see there's a little slot there, little slots in there that you put the those wedge things in. But this is a good fix for tightening up a canvas that's a little bit loose. Bada bing. All right, I hope this helps. Bye. Thanks.